Hey everyone, Harris here with I Download Blog. So today is World Emoji Day. Apple is celebrating today by showing off their Emojis on their leadership page on their website, which is pretty cool, as well as teasing over 70 new emojis coming out with iOS 12 a little bit down the road. Now, in case you're wondering why today is Emoji Day, it goes back to July 17th being the day that iCal, the calendar application, came out for Mac. It had July 17th on the calendar, and that is the calendar that is used for emojis. So Apple kept the calendar emoji on July 17th from then on, and other operating systems have done so as well. So that's a little bit of a backstory for why Emoji Day is today, and that's kind of cool. But anyway, if you're trying to get to emojis quickly, you obviously have your frequently used tab. But for me, and I know for other people, that just doesn't always have the ones that you actually use the most, because sometimes they kind of fade away. Of course, you do have your default shortcuts that you can type in and it will bring up the pop-ups. For instance, I have some of the most popular ones here. So for instance, if you type in yep, it'll allow you to correct that or change it to the thumbs up emoji. But some of them do not have anything. So a pretty cool solution to finding and getting quickly to your favorite emojis would be assigning shortcuts individually for your favorite emojis. So of course, to do this, you go into your keyboard settings, and when you are there, you go into text replacement and you can type in your shortcuts. So for instance, if you want an emoji to go for when you type mean, you can go ahead and type in that, and then you put in whatever emoji you want. This is just for example, but you can do this for whatever you want. So now when before mean didn't have anything, but now if I wanted that, I can do that and it will bring up the shortcut. So it's pretty simple, but I don't think a lot of people think in terms of this solution. So if there are any emojis that you're frequently wanting to get to and you're tired of having to scroll through to find it, there are some of the default ones, but then you can also type in and make your own shortcuts in order to get quickly to your emojis. So this is a really simple way of finding your favorite emojis in honor of World Emoji Day because of Apple pioneering the calendar emoji on July 17th. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Check out idownloadblog.com and subscribe for more videos just like this.